Junior went to court number 1, that was not said. We did not see the notice.
So it will come up on Monday.
Monday, my lord, because the girl has been kept in a very peculiar situation. Her parents and brothers are beating her every day due to loving a boy. So,
For loving a boy.
yes, home they did not want. So extremely urgent can be taken today, my lord. Because
So love is very painful. Huh? Who is being beaten?
the father and brothers are beating their own daughter and sister.
Daughter and sister.
And she has been sent to their custody by Child Welfare Committee, to which they have no power. So it will be taken today as unlisted manner.
How seriously she has been beaten?
Seriously, all the knees have been beaten badly. She cannot walk properly.
She cannot
And
walk
her
out.
health is deteriorating every day by day. She is major. So she should have been released on PR bond or personal liberty, but that has not been done neither by the court nor by the Child Welfare Committee.
So you want unlisted.
Yes, ma'am. Because
So who will from the government who will appear?
my learned friends should appear.
I don't know. Their APB.
Government
Yes.
advocate.
Government advocate. Yes.
Yes, who is the government advocate?
Government advocate. I will inform and will also serve additional copy.
I can see you through this lot of, yes,
I'm not a government advocate. I'm standing counselor.
standing counsel for?
Revenue department.
Huh?
Revenue department.
Oh, revenue.
There may be someone who is the government advocate.
So Dipankar is there.
Who will inform him?
You have to ensure that we will not run around to find out government advocate for you.
I will take their help.
Do whatever you want. Okay, we will see. If time permits, let us see. If everything is ready in the registry, if there is defect, then we can't help you. Yes, next.
How nice.
So I filed a writ appeal on 21st of October, my lord.
What is appeal?
Writ appeal.
It will come up next
My
week.
lord, my lord, next Tuesday, I am praying for Tuesday, my lord. First. May I please, lordship? I would also like to mention one writ appeal. It was lastly listed 6 June, lordship. Permission from service, lordship. So it makes
6 June.
6 June, lordship.
You filed in 6 June.
No, your lordship have issued notice already.
On 6 June.
Yes, 8 June, lordship.
8 June. Then
Yeah.
what was the notice issued for return?
Only notice issued, lordship.
Yeah, so it'll come up. What is the problem? It'll come up. Next week will come up. Next week. You make a mention on Monday. What is the urgency? You make a mention on Monday.
Monday, lordship.
Yes, yes. Next.
Okay, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a listing of a writ appeal, my lord. We have filed a writ appeal on 20 of October, my lord.
October. So it'll come up.
My lord, Monday, my lord.
No, why Monday?
My lord, there is an urgency, my lord.
What is the urgency?
Lord, actually, the writ appeal was filed against the order of the single judge, in which the single judge setting aside the action of the respondent, my lord, in asking the petitioner for the post of president, my lord, Gaon Pansayat, Tarapur Gaon Pansayat, my lord.
Hmm.
So, my lord. My lord, we have filed on 20, 1 week goes, my lord. We have filed on 20 of October, my lord.
20 of October.
Yes, my lord.
And today what day? Today is what day?
Today, 28, my lord.
You cannot mention on 26. You are busy with Durga Puja, Diwali. You are free from Diwali celebration. Now you are mentioning today. Knowing full well that code number 1 is otherwise not sitting.
Monday, my lord.
Eh. Okay. Okay. Yes.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention for listing a matter, Lordship. This matter is pending since 2020, Lordship. It was listed on last 18 to 2020, Lordship.
Will come up.
It may come on 7th of November, Lordship.
Okay, very good. 7.
March of this.
May I please, Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 3. The appellant is going to engage a set of counsel for him. Kindly adjourn the matter for weeks.
4 weeks, 4. 4 weeks. You want adjournment for 4 weeks. Okay. What is your name?
P. Singh.
P.
Singh.
Singh. Miss P. Singh.
PC. Otherwise, matter is ready for hearing. Paper book is ready and
Oh,
article.
I see. Oh.
So everything is ready.
Then what is this listed for an orders? Do you have any idea?
Because perhaps the paper book is ready. I've checked it. Paper book is ready. That is how-
Silo, if paper, then you take 4 weeks, no problem. If it is ready, it will be listed for hearing
Hearing in normal course.
in
usual
normal course.
2021 matter.
Paper book is ready. Do you have any idea whether you got a paper book? No idea. None appears for the appellant. Oh, you are appearing good. Present. Peruse go else have been received.
Paper book is not collected by them because
Okay.
otherwise 3 numbers
Mr.
would not have been there.
Okay, earlier Mr. D. Das was there. Ditul Das. You belong to the chamber of Ditul Das.
Yes, madam.
So you know that they are going to be changed. Okay, very well. And Miss P.
Singh.
Okay. Oh, notice has not been issued. Just a minute, just a minute. Notice has not been issued. Talukdar, appeal is directed against. We have reduced the ground, the memo, admit the appeal, issue notice, brother, 612. Notice was issued. Huh? Since there is a reply to the response number 2 by post, okay, response number 2. Neither AD card nor unsub notice, okay, response number 2. Likho, had Miss P.
Singh.
Singh, counsel applying for the appellant, who submits that the appellant wishes to change the counsel and accordingly prays that the matter be listed the 4 weeks. Full stop. Prayer is allowed. Full stop. Next para. On perusal of the orders and on perusal of the record, it appears that though notice had been, though steps had been taken for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by Resta post with AD, neither the AD card nor the unsub notice has been received. The matter arises. The appeal relates to arises of conviction under the POCSO Act. We would therefore require that the respondent number 2 be served notice, for which the appellant shall take steps again afresh. In the meantime, Ms. Jahan also may ascertain from the police station, concerned police station, as to whether the respondent number 2 has indeed been served notice, so that in that event the matter can be heard as much as the paper book is otherwise ready and prepared. List the matter accordingly after 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
In the meantime, you
Yes,
find
yes,
out
yes.
also. In the meantime, they will engage a counsel. In the meantime, if
I'll find out from the OC. Hajo.
and also if the notice has been served, the informant may be informed of her of the right. Inform is who is the informant?
Father of the victim.
Father. Do they belong to the weaker section of the society? Do you have any idea? Father, because weaker section of the society. Prabhat Kolita. Prabhat Kolita, his examine is what?
Prabhat is PW1.
PW1. What is his
He is a cultivator.
cultivator? Then most probably he will be a cultivator. In India, cultivator doesn't mean American
Yes.
cultivators.
No.
Huh?
Yes.
Indian cultivators.
Not even Punjab cultivator.
Not even Punjab. Yes. Okay. If the petitioner is entitled to and desirous of getting legal aid, the same may be made available by the which district?
Hajo.
Hajo District Legal Service Authority. Kamrup.
Hajo Police Station.
Kamrup District. Kamrup within bracket. I mean, rural or rural. Kamrup Rural District Legal Service Authority will provide the necessary legal aid. Copy of this order be furnished to the Secretary of the Legal Service Authority, Kamrup Legal Service Authority. Kamrup. Okay.
Daily list for orders item number 1.
Badal.
Paper
The paper book is ready.
Ready.
But I have not been served with it.
I see. Then you, okay.
I have it.
Okay, Mr. B. Talukdar, Lana Mike has submits that. He has not received a copy of the paper book. Let it be made available to him. Thereafter, the matter can be listed for hearing. Next,
Item number 2.
Jagat Das.
Here also paper book ready. What's that?
Have you got paper book?
Yeah.
So it can be written, huh? It has been submitted the bar that the matter is ready for hearing. List and matter only for hearing.
Supplementary list for orders item number 4.
Ajit Basumatri.
There was a paper clipping. On the basis of that, a suo motu was issued by this court.
Oh,
And my lord, there was
Suo
an
motu.
inquiry, suo motu,
okay.
and a case of land grabbing act. Because there were a lot of land which has been encroached
Yes,
by the encroachers.
Yes.
So, your lordship knows that there was a direction given to inquire this particular by the deputy commissioner. Circle officer is sent to different places, and ultimate report has been furnished before this court, which are the land which has been grabbed. So
okay.
like they are encroacher.
Okay.
So my lord, there are list which has been given.
Okay.
Now some of the person has come up before this court and they file an implement application before this court and say they are so for so many years, and some protection was given because they appears in the list. Now we also has come up before this court. I have seen that checked, and these particular petitioner which are before your lordship, they are in the list in a dispute circle. They said that they are encroacher of a particular playground of a particular school. But I have made a statement particular here saying that that particular playground, 2 playgrounds still remains. There is no encroachment. It is up 2 kilometers away of it. Last 6 years, we have given some documents before the court. And under the Land Policy Act also, we have applied for giving my lord this settlement in our favor. Now, there was a Board of Revenue, my lord, at one point of time, 2016, we approached before the Board of Revenue, some notice was given. There was an interim stay which was given. Ultimate Board of Revenue said, you go before Deputy Commissioner. It was disposed of, went before before Deputy Commissioner, the matter notice has been issued and it is pending. We have come up before this court because there is a list which has been produced before this court. Now, my lord,
And that list, the list contains the names of those persons who have alleged to have encroached.
correct.
And you are one of those.
Yes, correct, my lord.
So what is your,
My
what is your
plea
plea?
is that your lordship can dispose of by giving a direction it is pending before the Deputy Commissioner. But they should not take any coercive measure because the list appears that they have submitted before the High Court. That's why we are troubling your lordship because it came before High Court. That list, or your lordship wants to examine this, your lordship can issue a notice and protect me till my lord the returnable date, whichever is convenient for this court, my lord. We have given some documents before this court to say that for how many years we are there, my lord. Your lordship can look into it, examine this matter, my lord. There was some interior protection which was given by this court. I leave up to your lordship, my lord. That's my submission before you.
Yes.
Lordship, the IA applicant, your lordship, the person's name is in the list of encroachers, your lordship. My affidavit dated 19th of September. I have filed it. Lordship, the report was submitted by Circle Officer, Dispute Revenue Circle. Lordship, regarding this person, your lordship, the playground was, this plot of land was allotted to Betkusi, Utso Ingraji Vidyalaya, lordship. So they have also lodged FIR against this particular person, your lordship, regarding encroaching the plot of land, which is for the playground, your lordship. And 2016, there was even the person, your lordship. I have the vernacular here, your lordship. May I read it? This is from the Pradhan Hikkoitri Headmistress to the DC Kamrup Metro. সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে গুৱাহাটী মহানগৰী অন্তৰ্গত বেলতলা মৌজাৰ খাওকুচি গাঁৱৰ 34 নম্বৰ দাগৰ বৰ্তমান নতুন দাগ নম্বৰ 42 such and such, Sari Bigha, Sari Kotha, Dol Esa Mati, Okham Sorkare, Betkusi High School Namot, Abonton Dise, Sorkare, Betkusi High School of Abonton Dia Matir Adoror Tolot, Ulle Kora Hoy. Okham Sorkarer number such and such dated 8/11/1979, Aru Upayukta Karjalar Kamrup dated such and such dated 17/9/1977, number CT. Hukum Mote, Beltola Mojar, Haukusi Gaur Sorkari, 34 number Dagor, such and such 50.
No problem. Just go for it.
50 Kothal 10 Lesa 189 Lordship, I have
So no problem. So what do you want?
Mati of
So according to you, this land was encroached upon and a complaint was filed.
and they have Lordship, I'm coming to Lordship. Betkusi High School such and such Dagor Likha such and such Hukum Jomi Betkusi High School Namot সংৰক্ষিত কৰি ৰখা হয়। এই জমি দুখৰ বেতকুচি হাইস্কুল কৰ্তৃপক্ষই সীমা চৌহদৰ পকা খুটা মাৰি জমি দুখৰ উন্নয়ন সাধন কৰিছিলে। জমি দুখৰৰ পূব ফালে আৰু পশ্চিম ফালে বেতকুচি হাইস্কুলৰ নাম ফলক লগাই ৰাখিছিল। এই জমিৰ পশ্চিম দিশত শ্ৰী অজিত বসুমতাৰী পিতৃ হলিৰাম বসুমতাৰীয়ে ৰাজহুৱা পথৰ কাষে কাষে প্ৰায় 25 ফুট জমি দখল কৰি পকী বেৰ নিৰ্মাণ কৰিছে আৰু উত্তৰ দিশে প্ৰায় 130 ফুট মান জমি অবৈধভাৱে দখল কৰিছে আৰু ঘৰ বন্ধাৰ কাম আৰম্ভ কৰিছে। তেওঁ গুৱাহাটীৰ দক্ষিণ গাঁৱৰ পাহাৰৰ বেলতলি নামৰ ঠাইৰ ঘৰ থকা বুলি জনা যায়। বিদ্যালয়ৰ কৰ্তৃপক্ষৰ এই কথা অৱগত হোৱাৰ 12 জানুৱাৰী 2016 তাৰিখে দিনৰ প্ৰায় 12:30 বজাত পৰিচালনা কমিটিৰ সভাপতি উপসভাপতি সদস্য প্ৰধান শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী আৰু কেইগৰাকীমান শিক্ষক গৈ সেই ঠাইডোখৰ পৰিদৰ্শন কৰি শ্ৰী অজিত বসুমতাৰীক লগ ধৰি নিৰ্মাণ কাৰ্য বন্ধ কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ কৰিছিল। কিন্তু তেওঁ নিৰ্মাণ কাৰ্য বন্ধ নকৰো বুলি কৈছিল। নিৰ্দিষ্ট স্থানত থকা বিদ্যালয়ৰ নাম ফলকখন অতৰাই থকা আৰু চৌহদ থকা পকাৰ খুঁটাবোৰৰো চিন চাব নোহোৱা কৰিছিল। শ্ৰী অজিত বসুমতাৰীয়ে নিৰ্মাণ কাৰ্য বন্ধ নকৰাত গুৱাহাটীৰ ফটাশিল আমবাৰী থানাত যোৱা 16 জানুৱাৰী 2016 ইংৰাজী তাৰিখে শ্ৰী অজিত বসুমতাৰীক অবৈধ নিৰ্মাণ কাৰ্য বন্ধ কৰি তেওঁ সেই স্থানৰ পৰা উচ্ছেদ কৰিবলৈ এখন এজাহাৰ স্কুল কৰ্তৃপক্ষৰ পৰা দিয়া হৈছিল। বৰ্তমান অজিত বসুমতাৰীয়ে গৃহ নিৰ্মাণ কাৰ্য আদি বন্ধ কৰা নাই। And there are several other persons also who have encroached that particular land. So this letter was written on 2016, Your Lordship, to the Deputy Commissioner. Thereafter, Your Lordship, on 26th of September, Your Lordship, there was a meeting held in the DC office, Your Lordship, pursuant to the previous order, Your Lordship, of the Honorable High Court. There was a meeting held in the DC office, Your Lordship. I have the minutes of the meeting of that date, Your Lordship. It is given, the details have been given like when the proposed date, when the eviction drive will be carried out, etc., etc.
When is as far as this particular applicant is concerned, when is the next date for,
17.
This is, Lordship, on 17th of November, this PIL suo motu was fixed, Your Lordship. I was supposed to file the affidavit prior to that date, Lordship. Today, this matter is listed.
so when is the eviction is
Eviction.
proposed eviction?
Lordship, for Betkusi High School, Guwahati, it is being proposed on 6th of December.
Oh, 6th of
Because
December.
the notice has to
May I
be,
clarify, my lord?
You can go on pilgrimage and come back. Nothing will happen
No, no,
till
my
6th of.
My,
Government is not going to prepone if they want to do.
No, my lord, my lord, my lord, I'm representing the High Court. This is a suo motu PIL.
That's what.
Suo motu PIL on the basis of the, my lord, the.
So we are not, so
my
who,
lord,
no, no.
let me submit, my lord. This is the now, my lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord, the petition, which is, my lord, complete petition. He has filed an complete petition, my lord.
Huh.
Now complete petition is before your lordship. Main
Oh.
case is, my lord, fifth weeks on 17.
Yes.
17 of November, main case has been fixed, my lord.
Huh.
We have filed an application
Application
for.
for
So,
So
no
this
policy-
IA for implement.
Yes, my lord. I'm just.
Implement and no coercive measures
I
should be
want to
taken.
file reply, my lord.
No, they will file a reply.
No, my
Mr. Das, the as per Bordeloy, the government is gearing up for evicting you on 6th of December.
Say we recorded, there is no problem, my lord. They are going to take on 6th, there is no
No,
problem,
my lord, I'm going to submit, my lord. This is a PIL, my lord, so much of PIL, my lord, they are asked the government on what action you have taken, you
Correct.
file appropriate case.
Correct.
That's why they were asked to file a application, my lord, giving the situation.
Yes.
Now, my lord, if your lordship entertain this type of petition, it will be a floodgate, my lord.
Yes.
Number two, my lord, main purpose of this IAPIL will be frustrated, my lord. Your lordship kindly sees them, if they are getting a, my lord, any protection from this honorable court, government cannot take an action. If government can take an action, and then they can fight in that case, my lord.
Yes, your lordship.
Otherwise, my lord, all will come to the High Court, my lord. This PIL will be diverted from the main purpose, my lord. Here in this case, my lord, your lordship kindly see what happened, my lord. These are the land allotted to the government department, my lord. This person, his my lord, enclosed is a school land, my lord. He says that, my lord, is my ancestral, the day it is enclosed from my ancestral days, my lord. They are constructing an RCC building, my lord. They are not, my lord, laymen, my lord. Why I am submitting, my lord? If government take action, they can challenge that, my lord. Now, what action you have taken, my lord, proposed action is, my lord, placed before the dishonorable court. You got dishonorable court yet to take any action, my lord.
Yes, your lordship.
So now, my lord, may I submit this? This is the application, my lord, for implement.
Let me
So
see.
I want.
So, okay, very well.
File reply.
Okay, very well. Very well. Since it is an application, Mr. Das, for implement, we'll consider it.
My
You
lord,
give a
it's-
notice.
Let me say, you have said, Mr. Mountain, let me say, it's up to the court to protect or not to protect. We cannot press it, my lord. Only I
There is
put in
nothing called
submission.
protect or not to protect. We'll pass order what is as per law.
That's why I'm saying, my
Whether-
lord.
So now it is an application for implement.
My lord,
As per the norm procedure known, well, that implement application has to be,
Correct, correct.
notice has to be issued.
absolutely, my lord.
And there is no urgency, it appears, because
My kindly see page 100. That's your lordship order in IA. Implement application, there was a stay which has been sought for. Page
that was
99.
passed on some under context, we don't know. That was,
That's why I'm having
that
this.
was, we'll see
99.
that.
Page 99, my lord.
Ah,
Page 99.
Correct, we'll hear,
99.
yes. 99,
99, 10, 11, 2021.
yes,
This is the order which was in IA application. This application, an application was moved with an interim prayer, my lord. Lordship has heard this matter on 10, 11,
but
2021.
the fact situation is not same.
No, my lord, that is.
It
already-
was whatever, at that time, there was no, process by the government to ascertain.
My lord,
it
can I
appears.
just for.
That particular plot of land.
My lord,
And also there's some textile industry
My lord,
was
can I
there.
Submit 1 second.
Yes.
My lord, there is a list which was submitted, additional affidavit before this court.
Yes.
At page 106, kindly be seen, my lord.
106, yes.
Yes, this, I'm sorry, there's the list which has been filed.
79, yes.
Page
Uh,
106, that's a list which has been filed before this court, which continued at page 107, kindly be see discourse, my lord.
Yes.
107 is discourse. So this
Bed-
is discourse.
Bet Kuchi High
Yeah,
School.
Betkusi High School.
Yes,
Lordship got it?
registered on 17 May
Yes.
22.
Now, my lord will kindly see at page 100 and it starts from 112, where a list was given to by 117, 119, my lord. 119. 119.
Yes.
Lordship got it. This is what my lord list of encroachers that Ajit Basumotari before your lordship.
Yes.
This is my lord Betkuti High School playground, Betkusi 34042 N.
Yes.
So this is what the list was given by them at the time when this matter was moved before this court. And there was similar case which was moved before this court, and there was encroachment in some of the government institution which was donated by the government. So they came up before this court and said that we are there. My lord, that list, your lordship will kindly see list of encroachers. page 100.
Yes.
107, your lordship will kindly see. 107.
Yes.
TB Hospital, Gauhati, case registered. Director of Handloom and Textile Assam, Gauhati. Case registration is under progress. Now, number 1 is dispute. Number 2 is Director of Geoli Mining. Case registered. Development Commissioner, Assam Survey, Chandrapur. So all this, my lord, was placed before this court, and some came up for implement. So there was, of course, a hearing has taken place, and there was an interim protection which was given by this court.
Where is the interim protection
Yes,
given?
kindly see, my lord, at page 100, at page 100, my lord, 100, last paragraph.
But when was the interim protection given?
It is 10/11/2020.
21.
No,
And this is
right, my lord.
22. Things are different now.
My lord, kindly see page 100.
See, life is always dynamic, nothing,
My-
nothing static. Things keep changing, things keep happening. That
My
was
lord,
the time,
Paragraph
21, the things were different. Now things are different. Now government has activated.
Yes.
The court also got involved. Obviously,
my lord,
public places
why?
should not be encroached upon.
my lord.
There should be no
Equal-
premium to encroachment.
Okay.
And Mr. Das, if we have understood correctly, this interim order which you are referring to 10/100, perhaps in that case, the plea was that they were earlier working in the textile employees, then textile that become defunct, unit become big defunct, but they continue to stay. Therefore, technically, though they are encroachers, because they are not authorized persons, but they say that yes, since we have been working there, and therefore we must throw out. Are you that you have been staying your great grandfather? That is your plea that your Betkuchi school, high school. It is not that it was your high school. I had donated a high school to the government, so I continued. Though there is nothing like that. You are as a plain simple. You are an encroacher as per the government report. We are not saying anything at this stage. We are not.
They admitted it, para 4, your lordship, kindly see.
Ah.
Para 4 of their petition.
So if you are a plain and simple encroacher,
I didn't say that. I admitted. Your lordship has said. No, I didn't say that. I said.
No,
I
yes.
didn't make
Okay.
statement, my lord, something. False
so
statement. what you make.
Mr. See Das,
My
it
lord,
appears,
kindly-
it appears. Now, in any event, what we can understand is that government is proceeding, but that immediately
Well,
today
it's
nothing
fine.
is going
My
to
lord,
happen.
my
Tomorrow
lord-
nothing going to happen. Next week also you can,
My lord,
we'll
I
issue
can-
notice.
my lord, I can wait, my lord. I
we'll
can-
do
It's
that.
not that. I'm just placing it
Then,
before.
okay,
your
then we'll
lordship,
issue
my lord.
notice then.
My learned friend is saying that something, why I will say something?
That way everyone.
Why?
Anyway,
File an implement petition, your lordship, that way.
correct. But for dismissing their implement application also, we have to hear you also, no?
Separate case.
Therefore,
This case.
what we'll say is that this application has been filed, so you object. You have filed an
That
objection.
way, each and every encroachers would come up as.
We'll see that, because see now he has filed an application just to again reject at the threshold also. Again, perhaps, because we don't know. Because sorry. NTC. Anyway, we are not involved. NTC is not because he is not in.
No, that I has also listed it.
For NTC, you have filed an NTC for implement. Then may be allowed because this is against your interest, where there is an interim order is passed. So obviously that yes.
That page 82.
But okay, fine. You are an enclosure, plain and simple. We are not saying, but then as per the government report, you are you want more
My lord,
in life.
I'll take kindness.
You want the land in your government playground. Next day you will want land in another
Your
land.
lordship can send a commission, this playground is there, 2 playground is still there.
That is not our,
Actually,
see,
we are not
that
encroaching
if
that
the
playground.
school has 10 playgrounds, doesn't mean that you will encroach one of the playgrounds. So
Your
that
lordship,
is no.
At one point of time, my lord, at page 83,
Mr. Das shows what is the title deed.
I can't show title.
How do you?
How can I show it?
On what basis you have been occupying that land?
Encroacher, these all petition are similar.
So you admitted you are an encroacher.
100%, my lord.
Then that
How
is,
can I say that I have got a Miyadi Patta? I do not approach before this.
so you are an encroacher. You admit that you are an
I
encroacher.
approve, my lord.
Okay.
Yeah, I am there for like for last 60 years.
So we'll see
Whether
how
I
much
understand
protection we can give to such kind of encroachers. Then we'll see that.
No, these my lord, your lordship has given similar protection.
No,
Who
it
doesn't
was
have
no,
Patta?
no.
Who
no,
doesn't
no.
have a Patta also, my
That
lord?
that spec situation was different
But that
because
was
they
the
were
answer.
employees. If NTPC, perhaps NTPC, if
My
it
lord-
had been functional, perhaps
My
they
lord-
would have continued to remain there. It's for that to decide if
My
that.
lord, even then the court said, my lord, it is submitted to assess whether they have no artful employee, they are also not sure, my lord.
No, no, no.
So
They have-
will-
Time when it is
So will
submitted.
be listed, will have. You can hard Mr.
they
D.
have submitted documents.
Mr.
along
D.
that
Das
they were
Lanet, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
A. Mohammed.
A. Mohammed.
Okay, allowed.
The present application is filed for implementing in PIL taken suo moto by this court numbering 10 of PIL suo moto 10 of 2018. On the ground that he will be entitled to certain interim protection as given to other similarly situated encroachers, full stop. This application, however, has been resisted by Lanet Counsel, by Senior Counsel appearing for the High Court, Mr. Monto, as well as Ms. Bordolo, D.
N board.
M.
N.
Bordolo. My also N, yes, I'll remember now. In Bordoloy, Lanet Standing Council, Revenue Department, that the court may not entertain such frivolous application in as much as the applicant having admitted that he is an encroacher, is certainly not entitled any legal relief. Full stop. Be there as it may, this can be considered on next date on when next date, because we have to
17th of November.
17th of November on this aspect, this issue will be considered on 17th of November. So we are not, yes. What is your yes? So this on 17th of November. Yes. I number 308. What is it? What is it? 3085. Okay. Yes, Mr. Do you have any objection?
I do not have objection regarding implement.
Okay, very well. Our Mr. Lane Mr. P. Deka, Lane Counsel for the applicant. The present application has been filed for implementing in the PIL suo moto number 10 of 2018. The applicant is the who are you? No, spinning mill. Acha. The applicant is the spinning mill unit of whom the private respondents. No. See. Can you come this side? Because you hear me. Can you just.
My lord, I am for the NTC, my lord, National Tech.
Acha, you are NTC.
Yes.
I number
Okay. The
I number 3085.
18. 1817. Not
Uh,
like-
whose land has been unauthorizedly occupied by certain individuals who are those individuals? Who are-
They are applicants in IA number 1817.
Okay, individuals who are applicants in IA number
1817
1817
of the
of 21 who had obtained certain interim orders which is adverse to the interests of the applicant. And accordingly has prayed that the application may be allowed to implement to espouse the cause of the NTPC,
NTC, my lord.
NTC,
National Textile Corporation.
in the present proceedings pending before this court. The the applicants in the applicants in IA number
1817 of 21.
21 has raised no objection, neither any other council, including the High Court, Planet Senior Council, High Court, as well as the Miss N. Bordoloy. And accordingly, the present application allowed. The applicant so and so may be implemented. Respond number.
Respondent number given.